The train will never move as long as you're here.
What?
The train is not moving.
Do you want to come to Australia and learn some proper English?
That is not the issue. This train is
That is the issue, cunt. Learn some fucking English, because this is Australia, cunt, because I can't understand you. Oh, niggas. Where the fuck was it going, man?
This train gonna fucking go or what?
I'll be getting off Gracie. No, look. My nigga brother. Alright, hey bro, G. Homie, bro. Right, hey. I've got my feet off the fucking seat. White stripes? I'm not even wearing white stripes, you dumb white dog. Fucking get it right.
Where it gone?
Mate, I've got my feet off the seat. Why didn't you get it?
Okay, yes. Excuse me,
Don't touch me.
You don't go there.
Don't touch me.
I
don't want to speak to you. I can't understand you.
Yes.
Bro,
Come
if you want to be a security guard, learn some English.
Why it's not allowed? Why?
Learn some.
My friend, come and help me there. This is
I'm trying to get to the next station. You're causing a drama because I want to get
the next train, mate.
Next train. I ain't waiting for the 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 next train. I mean, I'll fucking sit on this train for hours if I have to. I'll hold all you fuckers up. I really don't care. Especially this black cunt. I don't give a fuck if you're black and white cunt. If you want to come to our country, do you even have a citizenship, you fucking nigger? And this nigger comes into my country and tells me to put the feet off the seat when my feet are on the fucking newspaper, you fucking black dog. What are you, Fijian or fucking African cunt? I bet all you niggas fucking die.
No worries, you'll see that.
Do you want to come off the train and fight me, cunt? Do you want to come off the train and fight me?
You can do it.
Do you want to come off the train and fight me, cunt? I don't think you do, cunt. Because you're a fucking pussy black dog.
Whatever you say, I got the powers.
I'll call the police, cunt, because the police is swine flu just like your black nigger ass. What?
Okay.
What? What, cunt? You got a problem too, cunt? You got a problem too, cunt? You got a problem too? You got a problem too? You got a problem? Fucking make me get off, cunt. Make me get off, cunt. Then sit on your fucking ass and make me get off, cunt. Make me get off.
Let's Cruz going. Full copy.
No, I don't give a fuck. I have my feet on the fucking newspaper. It wasn't on the seat, it was on the newspaper, mate. Alright? So if you want to cause a problem, then fuck you.
Well, let's go, gun.
No,
You're getting arrested, gun.
No, I'm not done with this. So, alright.
Really?
What?
Really? Dude, we fucking worked all fucking day. I gotta deal with this shit from
Man,
here.
I worked all fucking day too.
Well, what the fuck's your story? Get the fuck off the fucking train, man.
What the fuck, cunt? I'm trying to get to the fucking next station, cunt.
It's not working, is it?
Oh, man, because it is black, cunt.
You got someone coming to get this fucker off here or what? Huh?
Oh, why don't you sit your ass down?
Oh, yeah, his feet in the seat. Kicking himself.
Go back, sit the fuck down.
Well, let's go. Get the next train, gun. Get the next train, gun.
Business, you fat dog, cunt.
Get the next train, gun. Get the next train.
Take me off, cunt. Yeah, come on. No.
Fuck off, I'll pull you off the train.
Yeah.